Hey folks, thanks for watching. Today we're doing a video on just soils. I have two that I use frequently, Promix and Happy Frog. Now I know succulents are all the rage, but you might can get away with mixing Happy Frog or mixing Promix with like a sandy mix or something like that, but you just want to check your soils for whatever plant you're planting. But like I said, I just choose these two soils along with other ones when I'm planting my plants or if I'm trying to bring something back, because I know they're all natural. They have specific bacterial and fungal properties that they do promote growth and other things like that. Now first we're just going to talk about Happy Frog. Happy Frog, first the bag is just, I don't know, something about it calls my attention. But I haven't, it's almost empty. I do need some more. They're both empty, but Happy Frog has a lot of great things on it. Bat guano, which is awesome. Worm castings, which is super awesome. And beneficial microbes. Now the beneficial microbes are going to help the plant absorb more nutrients. Now those beneficial microbes, the beneficial microbes, are called mycorrhiza and bacteria. So they have a few different strains of bacteria, or I'm sorry, mycorrhiza, that can help your plant do its thing. And it's basically all natural fungals that you would find in certain places on the earth that plants need to grow. It's just like a hand-in-hand benefit to the fungal and the bacteria and the plant. So when wood and trees fall down, they decompose. Fungi decompose the dead trees, and anything near it by the tree is going to absorb those nutrients from the dead tree and the fungi that's feeding off of the dead tree, and then the plants will feed off the fungi, and then that's how the system kind of goes. But this is Happy Frog, and they're based out in Fox Farm and Fertilizer Company in Arcata, California. But that's, so right now I want to show you what most of the soils, because the two have different properties. And this is a picture of Fox Farm Happy Frog. Now you can see that it's quite grainy. It has some wood substitutes, wood in there. You can see it's not just dirt. They really put their efforts into using all the natural benefits of the earth to grow, to make their product. And the reason why they put the frog on the bag is to symbolize the symbol of rebirth and renewal. And Chinese legends tell of Chan Chu, the toad who knew the secret of eternal life. So they're just using the frog as a mascot for many cultures that reveal the frog as a natural animal that symbolizes, rebirth and renewal. Now this is Promix. Promix, they're a Canadian company, and they've been in business for quite a while. They do have a lot of all the other natural benefits. They have Canadian sphagnum peat moss, peat humus, water absorbent polymer, perlite, limestone for pH adjustment, and controlled release fertilizer. And they also have GHA 297, and that's mycorrhiza lomus intradices. And that's also the mycorrhiza that's going to help feed your plant and help it grow, along with the fertilizers that it has in the Promix. I got this at my local store. They're both right next to each other, so I usually just go for both of them when I have a certain plant. I noticed that the Promix holds a significant amount of water, so you don't want to really do this with cactuses, things like that. It's not that type of animal, and it holds, well, it says aqua friendly, proprietary. They have a proprietary technology called mycoactive. It's exclusive combination of high performance active ingredients with other specifically selected components. Each product has its own unique recipe providing specific properties such as stimulation of the plants, including grass control and pest control and disease for lawns and gardens. So it does a lot of stuff, and like I said, this is packed with all natural properties that will help stimulate the plant. So like I was saying earlier, you just want to make sure you're matching what your plant needs. These are two great soils, but if you have a different plant, like say a succulent or something that needs less water holding capacity, you want to consider that. If you want something that needs acidic soil or neutral soil, you want to consider that, and you can add amendments like perlite, other things like that. But long story short, when you got bat guano, worm castings, bacteria, fungi, with a little bit of new fertilizers that help the plant grow along, very low very low fertilizers, but you got those mycorrhiza, which are very important for your plant's growth, to ward off disease, pests, and to help it grow, because that's basically what you want it to do. You just want it to grow, but it starts with the soil. You could get something that's a soil-free mix or something like that, but when you got everything that Promix and what Happy Frog offers, you know you're heading in the right direction, along with your fertilizing, because I do fertilizers during the summer. I use Espoma, the 1-2-2 mix, or the 2-1-1 mix, or the super blooms. I think it's the bloom mix. That's a picture of that there. But that's what you just need to help your plants grow, the soil. You want to start with a good soil. You can make your own, of course. You can get a worm casting bin and make your own and add that in, because worm castings are excellent. I don't know, and you could probably find mycorrhiza to add to the soil amendment, but this stuff already has it packed in there. Also, check out my Instagram page, Gerard's _horticulture culture well, no underscore after that, but check it out. I got some great pictures, some photography. We could chat back and forth, and if you can ask me any questions you want to ask, you can leave the comments below. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.